Here's another one. This is a little different. The cylinder goes there. So this one, I'll have to pry it up a little right here. Take this out. And then this was covered here. It says remove for rekeying. Then I'll have to take the screws out. After you take this out, the cylinder was in there with one screw. Holded it in. You can see the hole for the screw. After that, it took me a while to figure this out. You have to depress that pin and then rotate it that way, only that way, and then that part will come out. I was actually trying to pry it with a screwdriver up, but that's the wrong way. Okay, and then there's a little secret there. And just rekey it, and then put everything back. Put that there. Oh, last time I think I did one, I was unscrewing it there, and then the screw fell inside, so I had to disassemble that. So I just do it backwards. Hold this upside down while I unscrew it. Don't drop the screw in there. And that's it for that one. Okay.